Students, in today's class, we will discuss trigonometric ratios of some specific angles. Here, the angles are given. The angles are 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. Here, the trigonometric ratios are given in the left side, and at the top, the angles are given. Sine of the angle A, cos of the angle A, tan of the angle A, cosecant of the angle A, secant of the angle A, cot of the angle A. So the value of sine of the angle 0 is 0. Sine of the angle 30 is 1 by 2. Sine of the angle 45 is 1 by root 2. Sine of the angle 60 degree is root 3 by 2. Sine of the angle 90 is 1. Cos of the angle 0 is 1. Cos 30 root 3 by 2. Cos 45 is 1 by 2. Cos 60 is 1 by 2. Cos 90 0. Tan 0 0. Tan 30 1 by root 3. Tan 45 1. Tan 60 root 3. Tan 90 degree, which is not defined. Here, if you observe, tan theta, already we know that tan theta is equal to sin theta by cos theta. So sin theta by cos theta means 0 by 1, which is 0. Similarly, 1 by 2 divided by 3 by 2, we can cancel 2 and 2, which is there in the denominator. It becomes 1 by root 3. And 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2, we can cancel sin theta by cos theta, which is equal to 1. Next, here also we can cancel, because tan of the angle A is nothing but sin of the angle A divided by cos of the angle A. So tan theta is nothing but sin theta by cos theta. We can take the ratio of these two trigonometric ratio. So that's why it becomes sin theta divided by cos theta. We can cancel denominator 2 and 2. It becomes root 3 by 1, that is equal to root 3. Here also we can take 1 by 0. That 1 by 0 cannot be defined. That's why it becomes not defined. ND shows not defined. 1 by 0 cannot be defined. So, if you remember the angles of the sine of the angle and cos of the angle, we can easily calculate the tan of the angle by taking the ratio of sine of the angle to the cos of the angle. So 0 by 1 is 0. We can cancel 2 and 2. It becomes 1 by root 3. Here also we can cancel root 2 and root 2. It is 1. Here also cancel denominator 2 and 2. It becomes root 3 by 1. It is root 3. 1 by 0 cannot be defined. And also we know that cosecant of the angle is reciprocal of the sine of the angle. Cosecant theta is reciprocal of sine theta. So reciprocal of 1 by 0 is not defined. Reciprocal of 2 by 1 is 2. Reciprocal of root 2 by 1 is root 2. Reciprocal of root 3 by 2 is 2 by root 3. And reciprocal of 1 is 1. So the value of cosecant 0 is not defined. Cosecant 30 is 2. Cosecant 45 is root 2. Cosecant 60 is 2 by root 3. Cosecant 90 is 1. Similarly, the secant of the angle is reciprocal of the cos of the angle. Therefore, 1 by 1 is 1 and 2 by root 3, and this becomes reciprocal of 1 by 2 is root 2. Next, 1 by 2 reciprocal is 2 by 1, it becomes 2, and 1 by 0 cannot be defined, it is not defined. Similarly, cot of the angle is reciprocal of the tan of the angle. So reciprocal of 0 is 1 by 0, which cannot be defined. Reciprocal of 1 by root 3 is root 3. Reciprocal of 1 is 1. Reciprocal of root 3 is 1 by root 3. And the reciprocal of 1 by not defined is 0. Or it is not defined, no? That's why it is 0. Put it. Cot of the angle 90 is 0. Or we can take cot of the angle is equal to cos of the angle over sine of the angle. So cot of the angle is nothing but cos of the angle over sine of the angle. Therefore 0 by 1, which gives 0. So this is how we can know the trigonometric ratios of specific angles. So these angles are very important for the calculation purpose. Let us move to some of the problems which are based on trigonometric angles. Evaluate the following: sin 60 degree into cos 30 degree plus sin 30 degree into cos 60 degree. Here sin 60 is root 3 by 2, cos 30 is root 3 by 2, plus sin 30 is 1 by 2, cos 60 is 1 by 2. So which is equal to root 3 into root 3 square, we can cancel square and root, it becomes 3. 2 2s are 4, plus 1 into 1 is 1, 2 2s are 4. So the LCM of the denominators is 4, and we can add 3 plus 1, it becomes 4. We can cancel 4 and 4 ones are 4. So answer is 1. So the value of sin 60 degree into cos 30 degree plus sin 30 degree plus cos 60 degree is equal to 1. Let us move to next problem. 2 tan square 45 degree plus cos square 30 degree minus sin square 60 degree. So here we have to substitute the trigonometric ratios of the angles. We have to substitute the values of the angles. That is equal to 2 into tan 45 is 1. The value of tan 45 is 1 square, plus cos 30 is root 3 by 2 whole square, minus sin 60 is root 3 by 2 whole square, which is equal to 2 into 1 square is 1, plus here we can cancel square and root. Here we can cancel square and root. So if you cancel square and root, what happens? It becomes only 3, and 2 square is 4, minus you can cancel square and root, so it becomes only 3, and 2 square is 4. We can cancel 3 by 4 and 3 by 4, which is positive 3 by 4, it is negative 3 by 4. We can cancel it very easily. So 2 into 1 is 2. So this is the answer. Let us move to the next problem. Cos 45 degree divided by secant 30 degree to secant 30 degree. Cos 45 degree is 1 by root 2, and secant 30, which is the reciprocal of cos 30. So cos 30 is root 3 by 2. Here we can write 2 by root 3. Then cosecant of the angle is reciprocal of the sine angle. Sin 30 is 1 by 2. Here we have to write 2 by 1. Let us simplify. That is equal to, numerator is as it is, 1 by root 2. Here the LCM of root 3 and 1 is root 3. Root 3, 1s are root 3. 1 into 2 is 2. Plus 1 root 3 is a root 3. 1 root 3 is a root 3. Root 3 into 2 is 2 root 3. So which is equal to 1 by root 2 into, we can take the reciprocal. So if you take the reciprocal, what happens? This root 3 goes to numerator, and 2 plus 2 root 3 as it is. So we can write root 3 into 1 is root 3. Next 2 into root 2, 2 root 2, plus 2 into root 3 into root 2, root 6. 2 into root 3 into root 2, root 6. This is how we can find the values of the trigonometric ratios. Next question. If tan of a plus b, if tan of a plus b is equal to root 3, and tan of a minus b is equal to 1 by root 3, and sum of the angle which is greater than 0, we have to find the angle A and angle B. Here the sum of the two angles are given. Here the sum of the two angles are given, which is equal to root 3, and difference of the angle is 1 by root 3. So we have to find the values of A and B. Tan of A plus B is equal to root 3. This can be written as tan of A plus B is equal to tan 60 degree, because the value of tan 60 is root 3. Therefore A plus B becomes 60 degree. Let us take this as equation 1. Tan of a minus b is equal to 1 by root 3. Therefore, tan of a minus b is equal to 1 by root 3 can be written as tan 30 degree. And a minus b becomes 30 degree. Take this as equation 2. Now let us simplify equation 1 and equation 2. Let us write the first equation, a plus b is equal to 60 degree. And second equation is a minus b is equal to 30 degree. Now we can cancel this plus b and minus b while adding these two equations. We can cancel plus b and minus b according to elimination method. We can eliminate one of the variable. So if you consider according to pair of linear equations, we can eliminate plus b and minus b. We can eliminate any one of the variable which is in opposite sign. While adding, we can cancel plus b and minus b. Therefore 2a is equal to 90 degree. A is equal to 90 by 2, it becomes 45 degree. So this is angle A is equal to 45 degree. Now we can substitute the value of A in any one of the equation. Therefore, let us substitute angle A is equal to 45 degree in equation 1. So equation 1 is A plus B is equal to 60 degree. So we can write A plus B is equal to 60 degree. Now substitute the value of A. Angle A is equal to 45 degree plus B is equal to 60. Therefore B is equal to 60 minus 45 degree. Therefore B is equal to 15 degree. So this is how we can calculate the angles. Angle A is equal to 45 degree, angle B is equal to 15 degree. So here writing root 3 as tan 60 is very important. Here 1 by root 3 as tan 30 degree. And we can write the values of A plus B and A minus B. And we can solve these two equations by elimination method. We will get angle A, angle B.